Understanding procedures and functions.
Procedures and functions are building blocks in programming. Both are used to group statements that perform specific tasks. However, there are important differences between them that affect how they are used in various programming languages and applications.
What is a procedure?
A procedure is a set of instructions grouped together to perform a particular action. Procedures may take input values, but they do not return a value by definition. They are mainly used to execute code that carries out tasks, such as displaying information or updating records.
What is a function?
A function is similar to a procedure, but with a key difference: it returns a value. Functions are designed to receive inputs, perform operations, and give back a result. This returned value can be used elsewhere in the program, making functions essential for calculations and data processing.
Key differences illustrated.
Consider these examples. A procedure could print a message to the screen with no returned value. A function could calculate the area of a circle given its radius and return the result. The function's output can then be used in further code, while the procedure's effect stops after execution.
Choosing between procedures and functions.
Choose a procedure when you need to perform an action without returning a result, such as logging data. Use a function when you require an output based on inputs, like performing a calculation. Understanding these differences helps you write clearer, more organized code.